Hi everyone, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club, and today's layout is inspired by the Moodboard and our theme to use some colored thread to create some interesting things on the background. So I did some stitching with my sewing machine, and you can see I wrote the word cute 3 times in yellow, light pink and a dark pink, and they are perfectly matching the colors from the color kit. And yeah, I'm scrapping a picture from me and my little niece, and we had just a perfect day at the zoo, and yeah, we just had the perfect time, and yeah, I just love her, and yeah, so I added some splatters over the thread and I stayed in the same colors. And now I am going to mount my picture on 2 pieces of pattern paper. We have this yellow one and the pink and white striped one, and they are just perfectly matching my colors. And then I will start to look, or you can see on the right side I already did, to start looking into all of the exclusive die cuts, and there are so many gorgeous things. And I just grabbed a lot of flowers and some fruits, and everything is just nearly in the same colors. My idea was to create a heavy clustered picture in the lower right corner, and yeah, I will work on that. So now I'm just ruffling up the edges from the pattern papers, and I will also add 2 or 3 layers of tissue paper behind the papers. And now I am starting to build up my layering, my clustering, and the yellow tag and the black and white flower I'm using right now, they are from Pink Fresh Studio. And I'm yeah, just starting to play around, and I cut out a part of it because this took me for ages. And now you will see the little yeah, what I have so far, but I will also change that. I will not use the blue and purple bird on the left side, just because I don't have that color going on and I don't want it to add too many different shades, and so I will remove that one. And I will also grab the Heidi Swap sticker book from last month's kit, just because there were some matching details in it, and the choose happy and the word hello was they are from the sticker book. And here I decided to move everything on the right side, so that I will have a heavy cluster on the right side and just a teeny tiny floral cluster on the left side, but you will see that in a bit. Yeah, I'm just playing around, and here I added 2 or 3 from the cardstock stickers from Pink Fresh Studio. They are all perfectly matching the color scheme, and now I will start to pop up all of the little details, the elements, and it's just so much fun to add a lot of dimension to the layout. And I love the instant shadow, and I just love the dimension. And yeah, this little one said what a day, and I will also add a little piece from the Pink Fresh Studio ephemera that said I don't know, I can't remember, around here, yeah. And I will also add a peachy colored sticker underneath that one. And yeah, I'm just grabbing the dots or the squares to pop up the flowers and to add a lot of dimension. And yeah, I just love how this is coming together. I really love the colors, and I don't mind to cover up my stitch details on the background. You can see, or you can read the first word, and it's just for interest. And first I was a bit sad that I will cover up most of the design, but yeah, there were no room for there were no other place for that picture, and so I'm totally fine with that. And here I'm bringing in 2 or 3 little flowers on the left side, just for a bit more interest. And now I decided to cut this sticker into half, and this one said, "You are also awesome, remember that." And popping up the word hello. And then I'm not sure right now. I will not add too much more. There is that strawberry on the, oh no, first I'm grabbing the little heart stickers from the Heidi Swap sticker book, and just because they were perfectly matching my colors today. And you can see on the strawberry is a piece of green, and it was driving me crazy because there's no green going on, and so I will have a look into the ephemera pieces again, just to cover up that little piece of green. It was, I don't know, it was driving me crazy, so I need to change that. And I believe, yeah, I have added 2 or 3 or 4 animal dots on the upper cluster, and now I'm looking into the ephemera pieces, the exclusive ones again, just to find a little piece to cover up that green on the strawberry. And I will go with a black and white leaf, and I will also bring in a touch of a pink leaf. Now I'm just scattering some smaller flowers around, and next to that I am done. I will add a piece of pattern paper off camera on the left side. There is so much open space, and there is a perfect paper from Pink Fresh Studio that had exactly the same colors I'm using today, so I'm just adding a thin paper strip of that on the left side. And I believe I will also add some more dark pink splatters underneath the picture. But next to that, I am done, and I really love how this is looking. I love the colors. I love the exclusive die cuts. They are just awesome, and I really had fun, and I love how this is looking. And I will link you to the member forum so that you can find the mood board. And next to that, I am done. So you will get a close-up and some final pictures. Thank you and bye.